This video, I will show you how to create your own AI talking avatar, guys. Okay, I'll show you the software that you need to use to create your own AI talking avatar, and also how you can do the same thing, guys, to create some of these AI talking avatars. So the first thing is you have to use the Leonardo AI, guys. Okay, you have to use Leonardo AI, and also we'll be using this software called AI Talkie because we're gonna be uploading those avatars from Leonardo AI, and also import here, guys, this software called AI Talkie that's gonna make them to talk not only English but with multiple languages, guys. Okay, keep watching. So what you have to do, the first thing, you have to go to this website, guys, called ChatGPT, guys. It is free to use, guys. You don't have to pay anything using ChatGPT. So this is the prompt that you have to use, guys. Okay, but you have to model what I'm doing here, guys. You can do the same thing with your own AI avatar, guys. So I will say to this, I want a man wearing black clothes. Give me a prompt. Give me a prompt for Leonardo AI. Okay, so I'm gonna click here to submit. So what's gonna happen? ChatGPT is gonna give me a prompt that I'll be using from Leonardo AI. So this is the prompt, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this prompt. I'll go to Leonardo AI. Okay, after that, guys, from Leonardo AI, I'm just gonna paste this prompt here from image generator. I'm just gonna click here, and then after that, I'm just gonna click here to generate. So what is happening now? Leonardo AI, guys, okay, is gonna be generating an image for us in AI avatar automatically, guys. Okay, using the prompt that was given by ChatGPT, guys. Okay, it's gonna be using the prompt. As you can see, that this is the avatar that was generated by Leonardo AI, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna download this avatar. After that, I'm gonna go back to this software called AI Talkie. So what does AI Talkie do? It allows me to take that avatar into a spokesperson, guys. Okay, into a speaking avatar. I'm just gonna click here to generate to project. When I click here to project, guys, okay, what you can do here, you can also convert any image into a talking person, guys. Okay, using AI Talkie, or you can just click here to generate a human spokesperson. You can also use these presenters, guys, okay, to talk. Okay, but in this video, let me show you how to use this one. I'm just gonna click here to animation. As you can see, there are so many AI characters that comes with AI Talk here, guys, that you can use. So what you have to do, guys, we have to import the image that we took from Leonardo AI. I'm just gonna click here to upload it. Let's give it some time to upload the image, guys. Okay, from in my laptop, because this image was done straight on my laptop. So what you can do, I'm just gonna click here, import this image. Let's give it some time. My internet connection is slow, guys. Okay, I'm gonna import this image. I'm gonna click here to open. Boom, it is there, guys. So what you can do, I'm just gonna give it a name, the project name. I'm just gonna click here, give it a project name. After that, guys, what you do, you have to choose an AI voice, guys, because this software comes with so many AI voices that you can use. Okay, that you can take an advantage of using these AI voices from this software. As you can see, that there are so many AI voices here, not only English only, but with multiple languages such as Indian, guys. Okay, languages Chinese, okay, Dash language. Okay, in this video, let me show you how to use an English voice, guys. Okay, but if I can scroll down, you can see a French language is there, guys. Okay, German language is there, Greek, Israel, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese is there, guys. Okay, there are so many languages that you can access with this software. But this video, let me show you how to use an English voice. I'm just gonna choose a male. You can also choose a male or a female voice, guys. Okay, keep that in mind. After that, if let's say already have a script, you can just paste it here, guys. Okay, or you can write any script that you want, guys, this software to generate, or you can also use this tool to write any content or any script, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna click here to leverage on AI. When I click here to leverage on AI, what's gonna happen now is that this AI tool, guys, is gonna give me a content based on the prompt that I have to give this software, guys. Okay, it works like ChatGPT or any tool out there, or any AI content right out there. but in this video let me show you how to give this a prompt, or how does this software write a script or any content. I will say this, why it is important, let's say this, why Elon Musk, build his businesses. Okay, why Elon Musk build his businesses. I'm just gonna click here to submit. So what's gonna happen is that this AI tool, guys, I'm just showing you that this AI tool can write any content with any niche, guys. Okay, there are no limit on the amount of things that you can do using this tool, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, guys, you can see that in just a few seconds this AI tool, guys, it is done writing the content for me. I'm just gonna click here to generate. When I click on generate, guys, it is processing, guys. Okay, it's gonna be reading this content using the avatar that you selected, and also using the voiceover that you selected, guys. Okay, and also reading the script that this AI tool is writing, guys. Okay, let's give it some time. You can see that it is processing.
Elon Musk built his businesses with the primary goals of creating sustainable transportation, accelerating the advent of renewable energy, and making life multiplanetary. He recognized the need for innovative solutions to address the challenges faced by humanity, such as climate change and the dependence on fossil fuels.
So as you can see that, guys, I love this software. I really love this software. As you can see that, guys, it is done in just a few seconds. It is done doing to make this AI talking avatar, guys, in front of you. Okay, so what you can do, you can just click here to download this. It's going to be downloaded straight on your laptop or on your PC. It is so easy to use, guys. Okay, this software is called AI Talkie. Remember, if you want access to this software, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys. Okay, to get access with AI Talkie, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you sharp, guys.